But I don't even know if I want to go back to that shop. Man, shit is real. Y'all don't know the struggles of living in the Bronx with some dog owners, man. Some, not all of them are irresponsible, but a lot of them are. Let me show you how. Full of shit. Right. You guys don't see that? Look at that. Full of shit everywhere. Everywhere. Look at this. Fresh. You got the freaking flies and everything. Flies everywhere. And then I did this. I stepped on the shit. Like, come on, man. We're here changing the steering rack.
Finally, right?
With a full does.
All I had to do is buy this house.
Yeah. Y el mecánico es Matío aquí. Estamos haciendo un videíto.
Sí, dale, dale. Adiós, man.
Sí. Mira, mira.
Le estás sacando, mira lo mismo.
The most annoying bolt in the whole wide world. I am trying to do something here, man. So this is the end result. We had to weld a piece on it and try to get it out, and that's exactly how it came out. Because I didn't want to come. Just like that, the steering rack on this car is completely done. Now I'm gonna go for an alignment and wheel balancing. After changing the steering rack, I did a wheel balance. I did a wheel alignment. Everything went well. Then I went for a wheel balancing. And this is where these so-called mechanics come in. Let me show you why I started working on my own cars. This whip is hot today. Oh Lord, gotta get some grease. Some elbow grease up on there. Look at it. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, broken. Broken lug nut. Ain't that something, man? There's always something with this freaking mechanics. Now, the shop supposedly said that they wasn't gonna charge me for the wheel balance since they broke it. Sí. Gracias, gracias. De 2005. Sí. They did tell me that they were gonna charge me for the wheel balance if I get it out from another shop. But I don't even know if I want to go back to that shop. Listen, guys. God bless. Stay safe. Stay prayed up. Peace.